to another video. So first, you might notice this hat on my head. Well, that's what we're gonna make. Step 1, paper. See, I already have a couple folds because my phone died during the process of a video before. Now anyway, step 1, fold paper like this, like so. Next, you unfold the paper, then fold it the other way. And then you fold this piece of paper on the line. And now you fold this piece of paper like on that little line right here. Now you fold it on the last fold, like so. And bring this, do the other one. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Don't bring both flaps, only bring one flap up. Now bring one flap up, like so. Then flip it around, and then if you did it correctly, you should have it should look like this. Now you fold it like this. Now when you take this and open it, it looks like a hat. But I just colored this hat so it won't come like it is too. See you next time, and don't forget to click subscribe. Bye.